Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wonderful video for you. This time I'm going to show you how you can replace or exchange or repair a key on a laptop keyboard. This keyboard is already been removed and this is a sample that I can just show you on. This is from a Windows HP laptop and this is what we're going to do. So sit back and relax. Let's just show you how this is all done. Alright, so I've zoomed in a little bit so you can see a little up closer. I think it would be much better and beneficial for everybody to see and how it's all done. So to remove a key and to put a new one, I use these two. So we'll use one of these and a screwdriver. So let's go. So with this one I'm going to try to remove. So slowly you just go underneath here. Yeah, this is the best way I found it. Yeah, and just be careful and gentle with it. Yeah, and then underneath you will be able to remove this. So you just lift that up like that and you just remove it, and it comes with everything. Yeah, I can just show you one, for example, this one here. Just put this on the side and I'll just lift this up. As you can see, usually keyboards get broken and one of these rubber things come off. These are used for this plastic to hit these, and it gives you the actual letter on the screen. Yeah, or if that's missing like this, then you can't do nothing. It's not going to work. You need to replace the screen if you lost this rubber. But if you have this rubber, you might be able to glue it, but it's not advisable. Yeah, so let's just go closer. As you can see what it's like underneath, you got this bit here which is working fine, and you have these notches here that we can put that plastic around it. So let's just put that down. See, sometimes you will get it like this, yeah, and you need to take this off. So the way I do it, maybe there's a different way. Be careful because these can snap. So you put that underneath and it comes off nice and easy. Yeah, there you are, there you are, and that comes off, as you can see there. I'll tell you a way that you have to go. Sorry, it's a little bit. There you are. I need to, as you can see, there you are. Looks a bit better. There you are. It needs to go this way. When you put it down in there, it needs to go like this. As you can see how it looks like. Out like that. It needs to go like that. I'll just show you. Don't know if that will zoom in good enough. Yeah, not sure. There you are. Here you find these notches here. Yeah, like this, and here. That needs to go down like that. Let's just try to put that in. Okay, so let's go back and put these in. Like I just showed you, you have notches in here as well. So we need to clip them on with the right way up, like I showed you on here, like that, and just press them, which looks good. Push them up just a little bit because they have these grooves inside. Yeah, and it looks like it's fine. Yeah, you don't hear the click or anything like that, but sometimes you have these that you need to push in. Yeah, these little grooves. So you make them a little bit tighter so they won't come out again, yeah? That loosens up for some reason. But just be careful, yeah? Let me just show you how it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Zoom in, there you are. Now you can see a little bit better now how it looks like. Just pull this out. You see how it looks. So it's not coming off. So now we need to put this back in. You got a letter P, yeah, with these grooves here and here, there and there, like this. It's simple. You just push it in and press it, and it should click. So we just put it on top like this, on here, and just go. Swirl it with your finger like you see, like you did. And there you are, it's bouncing up and down nicely. Just show you the P again. Yeah? That looks really nice. Yeah, so that's how you change the key on the keyboard. So hopefully this will help you. If you need any more questions or you need to ask, just please write a comment down below the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you for watching.